Hey everybody, it's Byron. We're here at Hollyoaks ORV Park with the new Ford Maverick Tremor. This is the new off-road package for the baby pickup and builds on what you're already familiar with this platform. However, there are a few key differences. First of all, you cannot get this on a hybrid model. It has to be a turbo all-wheel drive. That means you're stuck with an XLT or a Lariat, but you get a lot of cool features with this. We'll start up front here with the bumper. Whole new front end. This is designed to improve your approach angle when you're off-roading, coming up on an obstacle. You want a nice aggressive angle here so you can get up over it. Come around to the side. It's been raised 1 inch, all 4 corners. Got little styling elements. Tremor's been imprinted on the shocks on this one, just for a little extra look there. Coming around to the rear, this is where the magic really happens. So Maverick's biggest differentiator for the Tremor model is the rear differential. You get the same twin clutch unit that's in the Bronco Sport Badlands. Gives you finer control over rear end torque. It's crucial for off-roading. It's a key element of this one. And coming around back again, we've improved the departure angle here, new rear bumper. Make sure you can get off of whatever angle or whatever item you just rolled over. All right, so that's the outside of the Tremor. Let's check out the inside. Since this is based on either an XLT or a Lariat, you're gonna get a slightly more upscale interior than if you were getting a base hybrid Maverick. But that said, it's still fairly basic. It's the inexpensive truck in Ford's lineup. It's not meant to be super fancy. You do get a couple of little elements here that are unique to Tremor. You get the nice little series of off-road gadgets here because it is an off-road vehicle. So you get trail control and other little goodies like that, kind of your off-roading cruise control. You get some visual elements in here too that say Tremor, literally. If you look at the seats, it's embossed right there across the upholstery. Get the contrast stitching in the seating too. Just a nice little look for what's otherwise just kind of a ho-hum pickup. So there you have it. Same 2-liter unit that's in the XLT and Lariat models in the existing Maverick. Nothing really to see under the hood here, no unique Tremor elements, but you know you're getting a lot of power from that nice turbocharged engine. So order banks for the 2023 Ford Maverick will open in September. That's when you'll be able to order the Tremor if you want it. You'll be able to add this for just under $3,000. There's also an appearance package that will be available. Unfortunately, we don't have one here today. For $14.95, you get a gray roof, you get gray mirror caps, and you get a graphics package for the hood.